Good evening, friends. In today's technical deliberation 12, I will be explaining you a patented technology for manufacturing of aluminium silicon master alloy. Here, 12 salient features are there. The produced aluminium silicon master alloy, silicon content is possible up to 65%. Number one. Number two, this higher content of silicon in master alloy results in lesser addition of master alloy for silicon increase. This reduces number three cycle time of melting. Number four, this reduces Fe content in overall melting cycle. Number five, this results in value addition of end product. Number six, this results in uniform composition and higher metallic yield. Number seven, this decreases Dross formation and no exothermic reaction. Number eight, this higher content of silicon in master alloy almost avoids rabbling or mechanical stirring of liquid bath. Number nine, for pure silicon to melt, one has to raise the temperature then required. This avoids completely. Number 10, this is most suitable aluminium silicon master alloy for late addition ranging from 200 kg resistance furnace to 25 metric ton batch size scanner furnace or rotary furnace. Number 11, precise and less quantity of aluminium silicon master alloy results in energy saving. And number 12, which is very important, eco-friendly and less generation of slag. Friends, there are more than 300 grades as far as aluminium family is concerned, but almost more than 2 dozen combinations are there where you require higher percentage of silicon, higher percentage of manganese, higher percentage of other high temperature additives. So with this production technology, you can avoid large quantity of addition and results in a very eco-friendly melting practices and very useful for aluminium casters. Thank you.